All right, we have one more player here. Why don't you tell us your name?
My name is Catalia Donaldson.
Donaldson.
Catalia Donaldson.
What school do you attend?
Mount Zion Primary and Infant School.
Okay. Do you love playing football?
Yes, I do, but sometimes it's aggressive and
Okay. So what are you learning at this camp so far?
I'm learning to dribble and how to defend and other stuffs that I'm interested in.
Okay. You like the sport?
I do, and but I like netball more.
You like netball more? All right. Well, it's good that you're here, and I notice you have full suit of gears. Now you have your cleats, your socks, your shorts. So will you continue to practice on your own?
Yes, I would like to practice on my own, and I really love football, but some of the players are really aggressive that I don't like it because anytime you have the ball, they like come in and push you over, and they're being mean to me, so I don't really want to.
All right, but you should still try. All right, thank you for being honest, and enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy the rest of the camp.
Thank you.